Hello, so the way that I store documents is by using Google Docs, and I've used it for a really long time, pretty much since high school. So I have a lot of stuff in here, but I try to organize it by school year, since I use it mostly for school. And so I have like years, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, and so on, and then some random folders and random classes, but this is this year's folder, and once I get my documents I need to save, I just add folders for classes. But here's my 270 folder. As you can see, I have just my most recent things I've worked on here, and then I also have a folder for things that are directly related to the ecosystem theme, and then just a photos folder in case I need to save any pictures for projects. To create a new document, you go up here to New and then Google Docs, and then you can go ahead and type, and you can title the document. I'll just call it Screencast Passport. And then if you go back out to the main page, you can see that the new document is here, and to put it in my EDCI folder, I can just click on it, move to, and then my drive, and then 1920 EDCI, and then ecosystem theme, move here, and then you can just double check, make sure that it ended up there. And it did. And then, so if I were to share this, if I wanted to share it with someone, I can go up here in the upper right corner to share. You can either get a shareable link or just type in their name or email. And then over here, you can limit what they can do with it. So you can do that. If you want to share a folder, so I'm in the ecosystem theme folder. If you go to this button here, you can share the entire folder the same exact way, type in their name or email, and limit what they can do, or get a shareable link and text it or email it to people. Thank you.